Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Today I want us to learn how to prepare something special called guacamole. So guacamole is normally a mixture of avocado, onions, tomatoes, and you can also add coriander if you so wish, or any other ingredient that makes it feel good or tasty to you. So for me today, I'm just going to make it simple. I'm going to use avocado, onions, and tomatoes, and then I'll add a little salt. This mixture of, I would call them vegetables and avocado, are really a good accompaniment to dishes like when you're eating pork with ugali. You can accompany it with guacamole, or you can serve it with any other meat product, or even with vegetables only. Or yeah, it normally goes well with vegetable products. So just quickly, I'll just give an outline of what we are doing. We've already chopped tomatoes and onions. So the big question here is, what amount of what do you mix with what? For example, if you're using onions and tomatoes only, how much onions should you mix with tomatoes and avocado to come up with a good tasty combination? If you use a lot of onions, for instance, you'll realize that the outcome of your product will be just kinda bitter and irritating to your throat. So we want to use a little of onions as compared to tomatoes. As you can see, the amount of my tomatoes here are more than the amount of onions that I have here. So for instance, if you have bulb onion, you can just take a quarter of it, and tomatoes you put 1.5. You get that combination. Like the tomato combination, the amount of tomatoes you use should be slightly higher, like 1.5 times higher than the amount of onions that you use. And then the bigger chunk of your guacamole is supposed to be made of avocado. So today you're going to use all of this avocado to make a combination of guacamole. You just do this simply. Remove that part of avocado and put it in your plate. Just like that. So that is the portion of avocado that we have. Then you go ahead and put in the few ingredients that we have, and the tomatoes. Then you add a little salt to taste. Don't put a lot of salt, because you realize that whatever you accompany it with is normally prepared with salt too. And then you just now mix it up like this. So this is the final outlook of our guacamole, and today we are going to serve it with fried pork and sukuma wiki, which is made in the simplest way that I already showed you in my previous vlogs. If you've not watched it, kindly look for it. And we are also going to eat it with ugali. Okay, now guys, this is the final product, our guacamole served with sukuma wiki. Guys, with ugali. You can just do a slice of ugali, just like that. Thank you guys. Try this out and see how it goes. You like the outcome, you like the results, and stay tuned. We'll be having more shows as the days come.